Rob Anderson with Clean Power Wash, doing a gutter cleaning out here in Frankfurt today. We do a decent amount of work over here, but it's not every day that we're out in this area. But lower Delaware, all the time. So this client, you see how far away the trees are. There's not much close to the house, but we've found, hey, there's a tree growing in that one. I'll point out that is part of the issue with these little metal joints. They tend to hold stuff. And we're gonna unclog and ta-da! All the water, the muck, all racing along through here. See all that additional grit and roof debris, sand, shingle, dirt, junk, running all that down to the bottom. But clearly there's no clogs in the actual downspout. It was just this little thing. We'll clean this out, and customer want to continue using them, so we're going to leave them there. Why, as a power washing company, we flush the gutters and downspout. You can see all of the silt. I call it silt. It looks like silt. That's what I was thinking of. But again, all the shingle debris and grit and dirt and deteriorated materials and stuff. And then look at all that. It's a good bit of stuff that was just hanging out in that gutter.